Hello and welcome to the video on the external users of accounting information. The external users of accounting information are outside the business and not directly involved, but they have a range of interests and curiosities in the business itself. One external user of accounting information is investors. The reason for investors using the accounting information is to determine whether to invest or keep money in the business. In the example for Gren and the ice cream van business, investors will be able to use the accounting information to determine whether to hold or sell their investment in the business, the expected likely returns of investing in the business, and also the possible risks of investing in the business. Another external user of accounting information is the banks. The reason that they are interested in using the accounting information is to assess the ability of the business to pay back a loan. For the example with Gren's ice cream van business, the banks will be interested in the accounting information to understand the capabilities to pay back the loans, and also whether the bank should allow an additional loan if Gren's business is already borrowing. Another external user of accounting information is trade payables. The reason for trade payables using the accounting information is to evaluate whether the business should be offered goods or services on credit. For the example with Gren's ice cream van business, trade payables will use the accounting information to understand whether Gren's business is creditworthy, whether it has a good or bad reputation of paying back debts, and also gives the trade payables confidence in giving credit if it knows the reputation or credit rating of Gren's ice cream van business. Tax authorities are another external user of accounting information. The reason that they will use the accounting information is to check if the business has paid the right amount of tax. For Gren's ice cream van business, the tax authorities will want to see if the correct figures for tax have been declared, there is no sign of tax evasion, and also whether the business is subject to specific taxes. Another external user of accounting information is competitors. The reason for competitors using the information is out of curiosity to see the performance of their business and compare themselves against others in a similar business. For Gren's ice cream van business, the accounting information will gain interest from competition and rival ice cream van businesses. The accounting information will help compare Gren's business against the industry and also assess what business is the most profitable or has the biggest market share across ice cream van businesses. Auditors are another external user of accounting information. The reason that they will use the information is to form an opinion on the financial statements. For Gren's ice cream van business, the auditors will use the accounting information to support whether the financial statements give a true and fair view of the business, whether they are free from misstatements, and also whether there are strong internal controls within Gren's business. Thank you for watching. We look forward to seeing you in another video.